Alright, so we're going to try this again. Alright, so here we go. We're going to try this first walk here. Just walking down the street here in my neighborhood. Some bright blue skies out there and a little bit of clouds maybe. It's probably about golden hour. It's a beautiful day. So you can lift this up in there and get yourself a nice drone-y shot. You put it behind you. Get a behind you shot. Even though it's recording everywhere. I'm using a short selfie stick. So see how the lighting is. Everything's on auto. Should be decent. Can't see the little LED screen from here, but we're going to find out when we get it back to the computer. Alright, so let's stop this one. We're going to do a drive in the car now, see how it looks inside the car, and we'll stick it outside the car.